Alright, so after the Microdermabrasion, then we have the hot and cold hammer. And we want to make sure that we have connected properly the correct one all the way in. And then for the other end, we want to make sure that we have connected also the correct place where it shows the picture of the hot and cold hammer. Once we want to come out of this setting on the screen, we would want to press on return. And once we press on return, it has images. You'd want to select on hot and cold hammer. Now you can be able to control the level of the hot and cold. Let's say we want on level 5. We want it to work. We want to press play. And you can also be able to turn it on from here. Work and stop. You want to make sure your light is turned on. If you wanted to make it hotter, higher, you press all the way number 10. And one side gets hot and one side gets cold. And you'll be able to feel it through. Give it about a couple minutes on that. And you can be able to control, like I said, it's a touch screen, so you can control the intensity level. So you want to turn it on 10 if you want to get it heated up right away. Same thing with cold. And the cold side is to help calm the skin, calm any redness. And then for the hot side is to help open up the pores, where the cold helps close the pores. On that, the cold automatically starts right away. You should feel it getting much colder. The hot does take a little longer on that, but it should get heated up. As this is done, for instance, you can be able to press pause, or if you want to add more time, you can be able to add more time from here on. You want to make it less time, you can be able to do that time yourself. Once you're done using it, you can be able to press pause and then click on return. Moving on to the next one, which will be the LED light with the microcurrent on this one. So what we would want to do is we're going to make sure we have connected under the correct spot, the black cord, and we would select on the LED right here. And once we go ahead and select the LED, we can be able to control the intensity level, and that's for the microcurrent. And anytime we want it to work, we press on play. Now on the handle itself, you do also have a button right here that you can press on. Once you press this, it has LED light. Now on the handle itself has different modes. You can be able to select on mode where it changes the color of the LED. And it has 4 different functions. It has the blue one, it has the total one, it has the red one, green one, as well as amber. Now anytime you want the microcurrent also to be working at the same time, this is the intensity level for the microcurrent. And right here, it has the infinity sign and the pulse mode. So the infinity means it's continuous. And anytime you want to do pulse mode, meaning for deeper penetration, you press on that. And you also do the LED at the same time in the pulse mode sensation. And then if you want it to be continuous, just press on that. Once you turn it up a level higher, the microcurrent, you put your hands over it, you'll feel the current going through it. And you can be able to wet the skin, as well as use a hydrating seaweed gel to be able to help penetrate the product into the skin. Honest, and by selecting automatic, it automatically will change the color for you continuously without you having to worry about constantly changing the colors on this. And once you're done using the LED, you have a power on and off separate, as well as the pause button. Press on return. Moving on to the ultrasonics. The ultrasonics come in 2 different sizes. The ultrasonic has for the eye area, small area. This is for the face and body. Now it has a connection in the bottom, and you do get these cords. Now they both have 2 prongs to plug it in, and once you plug it in on the other outlet side, it has 1 3-prong, as you could see. One has 2 prong. We want to make sure we line it up with right here correctly. And it shows here for the face one we would want to connect it to the bigger one. Once you do that, you can be able to plug it in. And then once you go ahead and do that, then you can be able to connect it to this end. Once you connect that, you can be able to actually select right here to do the eye or the one that's for the face or the body. And you can be able to choose the modes with the ultrasonic. You have the continuous mode, that's infinity sign, and the pulse mode. Now if you want to do on continuous, and we can be able to turn it up the level higher, in order to see the ultrasonic is working, you can be able to get a little bit of water that I brought right here. Dab it over the ultrasonic, and once you're ready, press play. And you'll be able to see the pulsation on the ultrasonic. If I go on pulse mode, you'll be able to see the pulsation. And I can be able to turn it up level even higher, so it'll be more visible on this. But as far as the feeling of it on your skin, actually feels very smooth, calming, and can be used for all skin type. And that's how you use this machine as far as the Microdermabrasion 5-in-1. And anytime you want to change the filter, also you do have that option of the yellow filter. Go ahead and change that. And also on the container right here on the side, you can be able to open this up, empty it out, make sure you don't trash the